Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at Stock Market Mentor. By the way, members, we're going to be trading live tomorrow morning at the open. Trading room opens at 9:15. We try to make money. Most of the time we succeed. There's usually something that we can beat up on, some stock that we're going to be able to make money on. So I want you to check that out if you can. By the way, to you folks that are non-members, you can sign up for a free trial and get in on that session. So anyway, just a quick video, and this is something that we'll be looking at tomorrow, frankly. Crocs. I haven't traded this stock in quite a while, but I'm about to. The stock is trading in a sideways consolidation range. It's really kind of about here. Peaked out above it here in October and tagged 39 bucks before kind of pulling back. So now the stock's right back to where it was, only in a more sustainable way, because the stock, frankly, it just kind of broke out today above this last high here, whereas when the stock ran up to 39 before, the breakout was really back here, like right there. So here the stock's at 30 bucks, and it just runs up really nicely and finally hits 39 bucks. So now we're kind of starting the process all over again, and it's looking to me like Crocs is going higher. So you're buying the stock here, and then you want to give it a little bit of room. Frankly, you know, if you want to play it really tight, make it about 36.30. If you're a little more patient, you could make it about 33.80 below the 50-day moving average. It just depends on what your time frame is. But I think Crocs works really well here. So look, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.